everybody, Miss Richard again. I wanted to give you an instructional video on your DLR homework. So yes, DLR homework is back. It's just going to be online in addition to your regular assignments. So go ahead and look at the Google Classroom page. You do have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday class assignments, but then a little 5-minute DLR homework as well that'll be due on Friday. So I'm going to go through this DLR homework assignment. So let's look at the front page. So first you're going to watch the Monday instructional video. So that's what we're doing right now. Nice. Then you're going to complete your daily DLR. So just like in class on Mondays when I go over a few of them, then you do the rest for homework. That's the same what you're going to be doing at home. So keep that in mind. So then you can see down here, Monday through Thursday, you're going to have a DLR assignment just like you do normally at school. They'll all be due on Google Classroom though, instead of turning them into me at school. All right, so let's do Monday's assignment together. So first click on the Monday assignment. If you feel like the directions are too small, feel free to zoom in. There's a little magnifying glass over here. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in to 200%, and then I can actually move my screen to make it fit for what I'm working on. So the first section is complete the analogy. So an analogy is a comparison of one or more things. So we got an object is to a thing as accomplish is to what. So I know that object and things, they're meaning the same thing. They're synonyms. So I know I need something that means kind of the same thing as accomplish. So my choices are fail. Well, that wouldn't be it because accomplish, you mean to do something. Cross off. B, save. Maybe. C, achieve. That looks pretty good. Or D, item. Well, I know it's not an item because if I accomplish something, I don't necessarily get an item. And save, maybe I could accomplish saving somebody's life, but not really, no. So I'm going to pick C, achieve. So what you do is you click on this box and you type in the answer. And if it doesn't fit like that, just kind of move the box over to make it a little bigger to have your answer. All right, so for number 2, you need to do this one on your own. So you're looking for unusual is to strange, as raise is to what. So you're looking kind of what can you type in that box. All right, next section, let's move over. It says write the superlative form of the adjective. So superlative is meaning kind of the greatest form of that adjective, the greatest form of that word. So instead of saying, that pizza is really good, I need the greatest form of the word good. So that is the blank pizza I've ever eaten. So the form of good, that is kind of the greatest version, would be best. So I'm going to type that in there. That is the best pizza I've ever eaten. Awesome. So number 2, you're looking for the superlative form of bad and far. So you'll click on those boxes and fill it in. All right, let's scroll down to editing the sentence. So I kind of did this first one earlier while I was exploring. So you can't really edit on the actual sentence, so you need to type the corrected version of the sentence on the line. So I already corrected this first one right here. As you can see, Thomas was not capitalized, but we know since it's the beginning of a sentence and a name, we need to capitalize that. So I typed in Thomas, and you'll keep going by editing the sentence and typing the rest of the sentence. All right, scrolling down. Oops, there we go. All right, so it says circle the words that are spelled correctly. So I have 2 circle shapes over here. So that must mean 2 words are spelled correctly. So I got breakable, notable, preferable, and excitable. Feel free to use the internet as a source. I know that one of these words that is spelled correctly is breakable. So I'm going to circle that one. The second one is up to you to finish. All right, next section. It says circle the correct spelling of the contraction. So a contraction is putting 2 words together in kind of a shortened version using an apostrophe. So I should have worn a jacket. Ooh, which one would it be? Should've or should've? It is the second one. That apostrophe is in the right place. That is absolutely correct. So I'm going to put a circle around that one. So number 2, you need to do it on your own for must have. What would be the correct spelling of that contraction? Move the circle. All right, last section. See how quick and easy this is? It says write the missing piece of the adage. So an adage is like an expression or a saying. And if you're not sure about these, you can use the internet or the big people you live with as a resource for that as well. So the early bird catches the, click, click, click. I know it is the worm. Done. So then your DLR homework would be done for Monday. And then you have DLR homework for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to complete as well. And then you submit on Google Classroom. Feel free to email me with any questions.